Hey guys, I'm Kamal from Astrum Sounds. Today we're going to create a melodic house track in the style of Ben Böhmer. Ben Böhmer is a German DJ and producer, known for his emotional and melodic house sound. His music blends warm pads, organic textures, and uplifting melodies, making it both deep and atmospheric. Today, we'll break down his style and create a track inspired by his sound. For this track, I'll be using Diva as my main synth, along with presets from Sekora's Artist Essentials, Melodic House, and Techno Pack. These sounds fit perfectly for this style. Let's start by setting the tempo to 124 beats per minute. This is a great tempo for melodic house, keeping the groove energetic yet smooth. Next, we'll work on creating a solid low end. I'll start by adding a punchy kick and shortening it a bit to make it tighter. Then, I'll use drum bus to give it more punch and weight. Finally, I'll slightly boost the attack to help the kick cut through the mix better. Now, I'll choose one of the bass presets. Then, I'll create a bass line in the piano roll to match the groove of the track. I applied a compressor to the group to make sure the kick and bass blend together smoothly in the mix. Now it's time for the loops and drums. Let's listen to the drums and bass together now. Now, using presets from Sekora, I'll create a few layers of chords. Layer 1, Layer 2, and Layer 3, which will be an octave higher. All together with effects. Okay, now it's time to create the melody. I'll start by choosing a preset. Then I'll try to come up with an atmospheric melody in the piano roll. To make the melody more interesting and less static, I'll add automation to the cutoff so the pluck opens up at certain moments. I'll also automate the decay parameter to extend the sound. Finally, I'll add some effects. In the second part of the drop, after 16 bars, I decided to add a few notes an octave higher. I'll also add a plucky lead to fill out the depth of the track. Every 8 bars, I'll add a synth brass to bring in some extra energy. To fill the space in the background, I'll add a texture. I'll add a compressor in sidechain mode, some saturation, and cut out any unnecessary frequencies. I'll use some transition samples to make the drop more interesting and add more movement to it. Now it's time for the down filter and up filters. I'll use layers of several samples to make them fuller and more massive. Now, I'm working on the arrangement for the breakdown and build-up. I want to make sure the transition into the drop feels natural and has the right amount of tension. I'll be adding automation, effects, and small details to enhance the energy. In the breakdown, I decided to add another plucky melody to enhance the atmosphere. I found a vocal on Splice that adds some nice variation to the track.
'Cause I just want a taste of your love. Taste it then escape just for fun. I just want a taste of your love. Promise not to stay when we're done.
I also added these ad-libs in the drop to give it more energy and character.